Omo, it don't happen again, oh. It don't happen again, oh. This one na between bird and the snake, oh. Poisonous snake for that matter, oh. Me I fear the outcome of this fight, oh. The end of this fight, only God I know wetin go happen. Omo, better as you dey watch am, as I dey see am, so feel like say na this bird na him go win for this fight, oh. Chai! Omo, imagine, see this small bird dey fight this wicked and poisonous snake. Just dey check out, oh. Omo, this bird don bite am, the bird don bite the snake so tey snake don dey weak. Snake don dey weak. Chai! Snake don say, wetin I do you this bird? Leave me. You no go leave me. Bird, leave me make I dey go my way, make you dey go your own way. Chai! Shebi una dey see am? E no funny o, no follow me laugh o, because wetin I omo, chai! The bird no dey gree am o, the bird no dey give am breathing space. Bird don bite am, wetin no good. Abeg, wetin we wan learn from this video now? See, no good make we underestimate anybody for this world o. If you get your money, think say you fit, sake of say you get money, think say you go do anybody anyhow. No try am o, because this world this time around, e no good to underestimate anybody. I dey tell you, because dem go change am for you anytime, anywhere. Make you just dey give anybody respect wey reach am. Yes na, I no go because say you think say person wey slim no fit fight you, no fit do you anything.